Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Back up important folders to an external drive or cloud so you can delete freely. Once backed up, open Disk Cleanup for C, and choose System Files to remove temporary installer files, Windows Update Cleanup, and recycle bin contents. Make a restore point now so you can roll back if needed. Also, quickly list large installed apps you might remove later. This gives you a roadmap and prevents accidental deletions. Now focus on large files and apps. Open Settings Storage and sort C by size to find the biggest folders. Delete or move what's unnecessary. Uninstall unused programs through Apps and Features or Control Panel, then manually check program files and app data for leftover folders. Use Win+R and type %temp% to clear user temporary files, and run Disk Cleanup again to catch system temp files. If you have large media or VM files, move them to another drive to reclaim gigabytes. Finish by repairing and optimizing. Run chkdsk on C, and then sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files. This ensures freed space is usable. If you need more room, disable hibernation with admin command power-h off to reclaim the hiber file. Once done, defragment or optimize the drive if it's HDD. If something breaks, immediately restore the restore point or your backup, or reinstall the deleted app. This single troubleshooting step resolves most post-clean issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.